All right, guys, we are unboxing, taking a look at, or unpackaging, taking a look at the Jiuguva 120-piece finger sleeve for gaming. These are anti-sweat, touchscreen sensitive thumb covers, basically, for when people are gaming. They don't want to get a blister on their thumb, or they don't want to sweat on it, and they want to make sure they can their thumb, when they press the screen, it's actually going to be active and not finicky like some different gloves can be. So we've got 4 different colors. I'll go ahead and just grab one of each just so you can see the 4 different colors. But we've got, oh, is this going to be weird for me? How do I open? Oh, I'll just slice this open. There we go. So we've got red, we've got yellow. Slice these open faster. There we go. Got blue. And we've got classic black. We're back in black. So I'll go ahead and run all 4 colors by you. So that's black. That's blue. We've got yellow here. And we've got red. And if you know anything about me, I'll just go ahead and go with yellow. So, very easy to use. It's a one-size-fits-all. It's definitely got room. And it kind of forms around your finger. It literally, I'll just put both on and then I'll show you. Very easy to use. Going to be great if you play video games on your phone, because you're still going to be able to touch it, which does work. Okay. It totally works. So it's working on my phone there. So these things are amazing. They're not even weird. You know how some of those gloves you get, it kind of works a little bit? These straight up work. They work really easily. They'll go on any thumb. They stretch to fit. So, but it also fits snug. It's not going to come off once you have it on. I highly recommend these if you're looking for this kind of vibe. Getting a 120 pack in different colors. You're going to be good for a while. Gaming is fun, and also it can make you money now. So if you're a gamer that's making money, dude, get these if they're going to help you play better.